It's that time of year again for our annual 25% off sale in our Etsy shop, My Rainy Day Finds. Link is available in description. Everything in our shop is on sale, including crochet potholders, baby quilts, saddle racks in many sizes, as well as kits, bird feeders, birdhouses, handcrafted dolls, and so much more. This sale will run until December 2nd. Many items are ready to ship as well as made to order. Why not stop in and check us out? Handmade items made right here in the United States. We offer many forms of secure payments and shipping with tracking, so you will know where your items are. Hope to see you there.